Today we're getting wild in the kitchen, and we're actually not using wild game today. We're roasting nuts. We want to give you a simple recipe that you can take in the deer stand, hiking, you name it. And I'm here with Tasha Kellen with Isadore Nut Company. And Tasha, we're going to roast some nuts today?
Yes, we are, Laura.
I'm so excited because I heard the recipe is called the Bold North recipe.
Isn't that perfect for us here in the north?
It sure is. And what are some of the ingredients that we're using today?
We're using a combination of pepitas and almonds and pecans.
We should note that these are raw nuts, ladies and gentlemen. These are not already roasted, right?
Exactly. So, Laura, why don't you take our bowl of raw nuts?
Raw nuts. And how many cups are in here?
So there's about 2 cups. So let's grab the olive oil, drizzle it on in there. And we're going to use our maple syrup. So go ahead and drizzle in about 2 to 3 tablespoons, kind of your comfort level of sweetness.
Well, I would just keep going if it was my comfort level, but we'll manage it appropriately here.
We've got some spices that we're going to add next.
Okay.
So that's a combination of cinnamon and nutmeg. So it's about a half a teaspoon of each. Go ahead and sprinkle that in. Next, we're going to add our spice. So this is what gives it its Bold North name.
We're adding a little heat today.
Yes, we are. So this is a combination of black pepper, chili pepper, and cayenne pepper.
So we're adding a little bit of sweet and a little bit of savory.
And last, we'll add the salt. Sea salt was perfect, or you can use regular table salt. We can stir it all up.
Stir it all up.
So you just want to make sure that the maple syrup and the olive oil coat all the nuts with the spices, and it just a nice glossy look to the whole mixture.
So not only does this look delicious, I'm sure it tastes delicious, but it's pretty healthy for you.
It is very healthy, perfect for when you're going on the trail or you want to take to the deer stand, just an easy snack to take with you. So go ahead and just put all that onto the tray.
All right,
Great.
That looks good.
Yeah, this looks beautiful. We're gonna roast this in the oven for about 6.5 minutes. We'll take it out.
Gently stir, I assume?
Yeah, just so that we're incorporating the spices, and we're actually gonna be putting them back in the oven.
For another 6.5?
For another 6.5.
Smells so good.
So you can see they've browned up nicely.
Yes, I can.
We're gonna add in a little bit of extra salt. Just sprinkle it right on the top. And take advantage of having your parchment paper and then sliding it right into your bowl.
Okay, so I'm going in for a taste test here because this looks delicious.
Good.
Very good.
Oh, good.
You can taste the cayenne a little bit. So there you have it, an easy Bold North nut mix recipe for you to take out in the field or wherever nature may take you.